Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we will guide you through creating and configuring membership plans on the ERP system. You will learn how to set plan details, select benefits, and finalize the membership plan setup. Scroll down and click on Game Zone or search for Game Zone using the search bar. From the drop-down, click Membership Plans to navigate to the Membership Plans Management area. Click on the Create button to start creating a new membership plan. Then enter the plan name, along with the monthly and yearly pricing based on your business offering. Open the Benefit dropdown and select Benefits to choose PR. Select the benefits included in the membership plan. After selecting all the benefits that are linked to the game, click Select Games to choose the games included in the membership plan. Now, click on the Description Input field to fill in more information about the membership plan. The status dropdown allows you to set the membership plan as active and available for customers, or inactive if the plan is temporarily unavailable. Select Zone to assign the plan to this specific game zone. Click Create to complete the membership plan creation process and save your settings. You've now seen how to create and measure a membership plan on the ERP. We hope this tutorial helps improve your workflow and makes your experience within the platform more efficient. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.